KMLPPF, the full industry chain factory, redefines the automobile protection standard with the full chain intelligent manufacturing. From research and development to shipment, we have independent production throughout the process, focusing on every detail, from a roll of base film to finished product delivery. We adhere to the full link independent research and development and production, raw material selection, film casting, close coating, performance testing, finished product quality inspection, and never compromise on any quality defects. Starting from the tape casting line, we precisely control the quality of the substrate film per micron and configure large-scale high-end precision coating equipment in the coating line to ensure uniform and stable coating. The invisible car coat produced by KML is highly transparent, strong stretch, scratch-resistant, anti-yellow, self-healing. Choosing KML is to choose 1. The cost advantage brought by the integration of R&D and production. 2. Confidence in quality based on transparent performance parameters. 3. High-end services from factory to end consumer. We demonstrate our professionalism with strength and earn trust with transparency.